In today's video, we'll be sharing with you this delicious fried Oreos recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need Oreos, 1½ cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and toothpicks. We're going to start by adding the baking powder, salt, and sugar to the flour and whisking until completely combined. Once combined, we're going to add in the vanilla extract. Now we're going to add in the melted butter and continue whisking. After that, we're going to add the egg. Add the milk slowly and whisk in between. We're going to add a toothpick into the Oreo and we're going to coat it completely in our batter. We're going to fry our battered Oreo on both sides until golden brown. Once our Oreos are golden brown, we're going to remove them onto a paper towel lined plate. Use a sifter to coat the Oreos in powdered sugar. Our fried Oreos are complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.